Belgian waffles, aka Liege waffles, are to die for. They are chewy and soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. First, you need 70 grams of lukewarm water. Add in 6 grams of dry yeast, stir well, and put the lid on and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate it. In a bowl, put in 240 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of sugar, 2 grams of salt, 3 grams of vanilla extract, and an egg. Mix it together. Put in yeast water and mix again. Use your hands to make a ball. You don't have to knead it. Just make sure the batter becomes one. Uh-oh, here comes the little monster full of curiosity. I'm sorry, baby, not today. Mama needs to work on this video. I usually don't bake with my baby around, but I had to make this because I really wanted to make a bulletproof recipe. Before kneading it, I let the batter sit for 10 minutes because it's more easier to handle it after resting. After the 10-minute rest, knead for just a minute and then add in the butter. Make sure you use 60 grams of soft, unsalted butter. If the butter is cold, it will be harder for the dough to ferment. Yes, this batter is wet and sticky. So for the first 5 to 6 minutes, you need to throw in the batter as if you were very angry. Afterwards, you need to fold and press the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it has a smooth surface. This video is twice the speed, so be aware of it. It took approximately 15 minutes to knead after infusing the butter. Make the batter into a ball and place a wet towel over it, and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. During winter, I put hot water with the batter in an oven to speed things up. Press down the dough and add in 80 grams of pearl sugar. Knead it until it's evenly incorporated. This pearl sugar is the essence of this Belgian Liege waffle. When it melts, it makes a caramelized crust. I tried using regular sugar, but it failed completely. I divided the dough into 6 pieces. Fold in the batter into the middle and round it up. Place a wet towel and let it sit for 30 minutes. Please be patient. This is the waffle iron I'm using. It's really easy to clean and it's smaller than the waffle machine. First, you need to preheat the waffle iron for a minute each on each side. Preheating makes it more easier to make a crispy crust. Press the dough and heat for a minute on each side. On medium heat. Voila, my beautiful waffle. I hope you enjoyed this crispy, soft, and chewy waffle with your loved ones.